Our company, Photonect, is developing a new technology to connect optical fibers to optical chips that are being used in data centers where all your internet actually gets transmitted and processed. The biggest problem in the data center industry, especially when you're using optical chips and optical fibers, is the time it takes to connect a fiber to a chip. If you buy an optical transceiver device, about 80% of the cost of the device just goes in the packaging and testing of it. And out of that, about 40% is just how you would connect a fiber to a chip. And the biggest reason or the bottleneck here is the time it takes to do a single connection. As the internet grows, you need a lot of data to be transmitted to data centers. You need a faster, more efficient method to connect fibers to the chip for processing and for scale up. Participating in the Luminate program has been very helpful and enlightening. We have received expert advice, amazing workshops, sessions, and we have had a lot of fun while we are doing it. What I'm very passionate about is making a change in the world. And for me, if my technology can reduce the amount of energy the data centers are using and it can have a global impact, that is a win for me. And that drives me to make this dream a reality every morning.